Hello, and welcome to today's episode of Management Made Easy, where we dive into the world of marketing and explore various strategies and techniques to help businesses grow and succeed. Micro-marketing is a targeted marketing strategy that focuses on a specific and narrow target audience, often at a local level. This approach allows businesses to create highly personalized and effective marketing campaigns that resonate with their audience. Examples of micro-marketing can be seen in various industries and businesses, ranging from small local businesses to large multinational corporations. Let's take a look at a few examples to see how micro-marketing can be applied in different contexts. Example 1. Local restaurant. A local restaurant wants to increase its customer base in surrounding neighborhood. They decide to launch a micro-marketing campaign targeting families with young children. They create posters and flyers that showcase their kids' menu and offer discounts for families with children. They also partner with local schools and daycares to promote their restaurant and offer special deals for their customers. The restaurants also post videos on social media showing families enjoying their meals and playing games in their kids-friendly environment. This micro-marketing campaign helps the restaurant appeal to families with young children and establish itself as a family-friendly dining destination. Example 2. Online retailer. An online retailer wants to reach a new audience for its new sportswear line. They decide to launch a micro-marketing campaign targeting fitness enthusiasts who attend outdoor workouts and run in the city. They create custom-made posters and banners that promote their products and offer discounts for outdoor workouts and runs. The retailer also sponsors local running and fitness events and provides branded merchandise to participants. This micro-marketing campaign helps the retailer reach a new audience and establish its brand as a popular choice among fitness enthusiasts. And the last example we are going to discuss is a car dealership. A car dealership wants to reach a new audience for its electric vehicles. They decide to launch a micro-marketing campaign targeting environmentally conscious consumers who live in the city. They create posters and flyers that showcase the benefits of electric vehicles and offer discounts for environmentally conscious consumers. The dealership also partners with local environmentally conscious organizations and hosts events to educate consumers about benefits of electric vehicles. This micro-marketing campaign helps the dealership reach new audience and establish its brand as a leader in environmentally conscious transport options. In conclusion, micro-marketing is a highly effective marketing strategy that allows businesses to reach a specific and narrow target audience with highly personalized and effective marketing campaigns. By using micro-marketing, businesses can increase their customer base and establish their brand and reach new audiences. So thank you for watching today's video on micro-marketing. We hope you found it informative and helpful. Be sure to leave a like and comment below with your thoughts and examples of micro-marketing. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. See you next time. Bye bye.